What's up, world? Tuning day. Getting the car loaded up. Troy's on his way to come meet me. Let's go and pick up Max right now. And they're gonna head over this way. Yeah, today we are headed to Emerald Coast Motorsports. It's over in Fort Walton, Florida. Gonna meet our tuner over there, Drunkmann, Mr. Anthony J. Berry, and he's gonna hook it up. If you remember in the last episode or whatever, just recently did equal length headers, up pipe, and a Turbosmart 40mm wastegate. Sounds amazing. Comes up on boost really quick. I don't know, it's a brand new car. I love it. Just got done washing it. So, gonna finish getting this stuff loaded up. Me and my wife, my new wife, we're gonna go take a little mini honeymoon over in Florida. Yeah, that bad boy. But yeah, we're gonna be out there for this weekend and figure kill two birds with one stone. Go get the car tuned. Have fun with my wife. You know.
What up, guys? Troy here, Max. We're heading out to Florida to get tuned. Travis is behind me. I don't know if you can see him. Probably not. It's currently 5:49. We were supposed to leave at 5, but Max decided to sleep in.
My bad.
So we're gonna keep y'all updated and stuff. Probably get a couple rolling shots of Travis's car. He'll probably catch some of mine. He has a GoPro also, so he'll be documenting his part of the journey with Ashley. But we'll see you later.
We're on our way. Ashley's crashed out. We made it, bugs and all.
Yeah, that's nice.
Right? I can dig it. Still got the
It only got half.
white speckle.
Yeah.
That white flake, custom white flake on your
Bro, it's sick as fuck.
that's right, JDM. So it looks like I'm up first. Dope. See what she does. Getting her all strapped down, cooled off. The intercooler. Some ice cubes on there. Cool her down.
I'm pulling boost back a little bit.
Anthony's inside working his magic. We're about to be setting up.
Interesting. Just Let's check your boost controller. Your wastegate pressure is 22 pounds.
Holy shit.
Definitely 22 with zero wastegate interference.
So it's hitting 22 pounds?
Yeah, on wastegate. A little much. Let's check your wastegate.
Alright, so we took off the second port. Let's see. No, I'm sorry, we took off the first port. This is the one that vents to atmosphere. It's off the boost controller. So we're going to see what happens now. Alright, round two. Nice. 305, 330 torque. There we go. Yeah. Looking better. Sport sharp this time?
Yep. Let's see how much more it has in it. That turbo's fading pretty quick. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
For sure. Four stock turbo. Last rip on 93. Not bad.
Well, not much left on pump. Why
Yeah.
am I not getting the target? Want to start putting gas in it?
Should I just fill it up like that, or should I drain some of it?
Can you drain it?
Maybe we can do the return line on
Let's drain it. Do you have tools and shit?
I
a
have
gas can?
I have tools that don't have a gas.
I think I can get you a gas can. Stop working on...
Oh, which one is it? It's the bottom one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just filled it up with ethanol. Please shoot a flame. Please shoot a flame. Please shoot a flame. Woo! 340, 377. Very nice.
Anthony, what's the ethanol content?
77.
All right, second pool. We ran out of ice, so intake temps are kind of high. .394 torque. Sick.
You do got it.
Horsepower, a little less torque.
Well, she wrote, that's
it. That's it.
I turned it up, I turned the knob a little bit, and the turbo said,
nope.
Done.
That's it. Hey man, I'm happy with that, dude.
Yeah.
I'm really happy with that.
Yeah, and I mean, like I said, you know, on this dyno, these are good numbers.
Yeah.
You know, if we were on a Dynojet, I'd be like, meh. But, you know, considering a 6870 car, you know, did like 7, it was on its way to make like 740s at the 37.
Yeah, yeah.
This thing does not read very high. Stock STI would do like 230s.
Right, right. Man, it's all good, brother. Looks clean.
Yeah, it's clean, it's consistent, but you can see where I tried to nudge it a little bit. It looks like, if anything, it stayed exactly the same.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. She just didn't want to budge. It's okay, as long as she's happy.
Yep.
I'll get the compression check done.
Just in case, you know, there's 70,000, 6 minute deflection in the wall.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can see there's 0 knock, and doesn't budge, it hasn't budged at all.
Right,
It hasn't
right.
pulled a single degree since I've started. So.
Right.
I mean, the motor seems super solid.
Right.
That crank is weird.
Yeah,
I think it's just a dead battery.
Yeah, that's not.
Just in case it doesn't hurt.
Yep.
To at least prepare. And if it is like 90 and the rest of the 130, run this bitch to a brakes all the way.
Okay.
I mean, it's still making power.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to replace the motor either way.
Right.
Have fun with it.
Exactly. I like it. So yeah, final numbers. We're gonna go with the 340, 394, right around that area. Definitely happy with it. Now we're gonna get this off, get Troy on. All right, got Troy on the dyno. It's gonna run through the base map, kind of see how she likes it. And we'll start slowly turning it up from there. Nice. 26 horsepower, 52, 57 foot-pounds of torque.
Hell yeah.
Nice. FP Blue putting in work.
I'm feeling my
Round 2. now you know you're making
That curve
power
is better.
when it makes the loop to loop.
when you go negative and then come back.
Hey, 108 foot-pounds of torque. Nice. 662, 663.
That's a good power curve too. It goes.
I like it. That's awesome. All right, I missed the last pull, but on pump, 348, 338. That's the graph right there. I mean, shit. The horsepower, I mean, it just stays. That's the turbo right there. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Don't want to turn it up anymore. He's still on a stock clutch and the 5-speed. So, you know, you want to keep it safe. Still respectable. Not bad at all. Getting another car on the dyno. I think we're done here though. Successful day for sure. A lot of fun.
Yeah.
Time to go cruise and enjoy it, right? Do a little pull in the tunnel. Oh yeah. Made it back. One piece. Car did really well. I'm happy with it for sure. It's on a 93 right now, so currently at right around 300 horsepower, 340 foot-pounds of torque. Still a good amount of power, but going to look into building the block now. And I mean, that's not going to happen anytime soon, but yep, it's going to be the next thing to be considered. Appreciate y'all coming along and checking everything out.